Ganeshaya Namaha. Om Ganeshaya Namaha. Om Gurubhyo Namaha. Om Gurubhyo Namaha. Om Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaste. Good morning to all my friends. I welcome you all to this topic. Today we are going to talk about Hatha Yoga. The word Hatha is a Sanskrit word. It means force or put energy to achieve something. In Hatha Yoga, it says, put all your energy, put all your physical efforts to achieve the higher state of consciousness or make the balance in day-to-day life. It's called Hatha Yoga. The word Hatha is the combination of two words. One is Ha, the second one is called Tha. The word Ha represents the active energy in the body. The word Tha represents the passive energy in the body. Hatha is the balance between the active energy and the passive energy in the body. The word Ha represents the solar energy in the body. The word Tha represents the lunar energy in the body. The word Tha represents the masculine energy in the body. The word Tha represents the feminine energy in the body. The word Ha represents the Pingla Nadi, the right nostril. The word Tha represents Ida Nadi, the left nostril. To make balance between the Ida Nadi and the Pingla Nadi, and the breath flow through the Sushumna. When the breath flows through the Sushumna, it helps to achieve higher state of consciousness, or you can say to achieve the meditative state of life is the balance between the two energy, sun and moon, feminine energy and masculine energy, solar energy and lunar energy, Ida Nadi and Pingla Nadi. When these two energies is becoming balanced and it find the middle path, it's called Hatha Yoga. Nowadays, in 21st century, people are the yoga practitioners. They forgot about Hatha Yoga. They just practicing one part of the Hatha Yoga. That part is called Ha. They're just doing the physical activities like they are practicing the physical posture, physical asanas, but they don't practice a relaxation part, the passive part. Because of that, the Hatha Yoga practice have no effect. They do not get the benefits of Hatha Yoga. Instead of getting benefits of the Hatha Yoga, just they injure themselves. Many teachers, many practitioners have the back pain, have the knee pain, because they just practice one part of the practice, the second part, they forgot or they don't have time to practice. You can say they are practicing Ha Yoga, not Hatha Yoga. To make it Hatha Yoga, after practicing asanas, you have to do relaxation part 2. If you are practicing 1 hour, 60 minutes of asana practices, you have to put around 10 minutes for relaxation. Then the active energy come down and it relax your body, it relax the mind. Then it helps to, or it take you to achieve to the meditation state, or it helps to make a balance in your life. Namaste. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.